Hey guys, welcome to our Kangkong update video. Sorry it's been a couple months since we last uploaded. We recently moved across the country from Chicago to Salt Lake City and been trying to get settled in. But for our Kangkong, this red kind got really long and viney, which is great because it makes more space for more leaves. So I'm gonna cut them and transfer them to a water bin to see what happens. When you do this, you wanna leave a couple of nodes so it can still grow some more leaves. And here is the tangled mess of kangkong that we got. We'll mix water with our old worm compost from 2020 and put our kangkong in it. Not sure if it's still good, but might as well use it since it's just sitting there. From a video that showed how to grow this red kind, dude literally splopped them in a bin of water just like this. I could leave a link down in the description for it. His grew really well in just plain water. But mine looks sad, so I want to rearrange them at least a little bit. Just kind of laid them out however and filled it with more water. I've only grown the tall green water spinach before, but these red kangkong are so easy to grow, which is why they're perfect for beginners. Still looks kind of sad, but stay till the end to see if they survive. And here's how the potted ones look after we cut them. Now this is the kangkong I'm used to growing. It's a lot easier because it just grows tall and bushy. Luckily we found some here in Utah, so we'll make a video for these ones too. Came back the next day and I'm glad they're not dead. And we even got some small leaves and roots growing. Day 46 and they're really growing a lot. Well, we got a lot of roots growing, but a lot of rotting leaves too, so I think the just laying it randomly method doesn't work very well for me. Let me fix that. If you compare this shot with how they were earlier in the video, they really grew a lot. And the roots and everything else are growing a lot faster than how I propagated them in the first video. I'll link to it in a pinned comment down in the comments or it'll appear on screen. And now I'm laying them so all the leaves are above the water. It can be kind of tricky to get them to float, but they should keep the new leaves from rotting. So this is how our kangkong looks now. Looks a lot better. Day 52, I just wanted to show that they're growing better than before. And the ones in the pots have longer leaves and are starting to get longer stems too. Day 54 and it looks a lot better since I rearranged them. We're getting a lot of new leaves from the kangkong in the water bin and from the potted ones. You'll see soon though that some leaves are turning kinda yellow-green, so I'll try adding a little blood meal to give them a boost. What do you guys usually do when your plants turn a little yellow? Day 60 and it's time to harvest. You can cut the whole long stem if you want or do the leaf and stem attached to it just like this. More leaves can grow from that same node anyways like I showed you in the clip 22 seconds ago. Here's what we got so far and there's still a lot more. Even if you pick a lot, it'll just get bushier over time and you'll have more than you know what to do with. At the end, I'll show you how they looked before we got really busy moving and traveling. It's just awesome that all this started from less than 10 little stalks. If you never tried kangkong before, you can cook it pretty much how you would regular spinach. It's got a mild flavor and can quickly be blanched or sauteed. Here I have it in a sour, salty Filipino soup called sinigang. And this is how they looked a month later with minimal care. If you made it this far, please leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.